I'm going to show you how to make a website completely for free, just like this one over here. And I'm also going to show you how you can drive tons of traffic, just like this over here, to this website and make well over $500 a day. Once you get these views, you can drive traffic from all of these views straight to this website over here to your products, which is ultimately going to help you make hundreds of dollars every single day. And I'm going to help you find these products that can make you over $100 every single time this product sells. This is one of the best and easiest ways to make money online and get sales, because on top of all of this, the tool that we're going to be using to make this website is a done for you artificial intelligence, and all we need to do is just click a few buttons and our website will be automatically made for us. So if you want to know how to go and create this entire website for yourself, make sure to watch this entire tutorial until the end. I'm going to leave sections down below. It's important that you don't miss any steps that I talk about in this video. But without further ado, with all of that being said, let's get straight into it. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here from the Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel. On this channel, I document my journey on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video, I really wanted to talk about this strategy by creating your own website with this artificial intelligence tool and using all of this traffic to get tons of clicks, conversions, and sales, and ultimately money online from your different products that you can go and put on this website. If you guys do enjoy the free content that I post on my YouTube channel, make sure to go down below and leave a like on this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on. I'd really appreciate that, and I hope you get a lot of value from my videos. And comment down below which ways you would like to learn how to make money online, whether that's affiliate marketing, drop shipping, e-commerce, drop servicing, forex, or trading. Comment down below and I will definitely go through the comments and have a look and see what you guys want to see more of. And then definitely in future videos, I'll be creating content and tutorials on those specific topic for you guys. So the first thing I want you to do, guys, is come over to this website called beacons.ai. So this is a very powerful and simple website where you can click a couple of buttons and get your own website generated for you in just a couple of seconds. As you can see over here, this is the easiest way to build a link in bio website that your fans will love and that will convert really well, and it's completely free, and your website will be up and running within 2 minutes. We don't need any coding knowledge, we don't need any hosting fees, we don't need to pay a hosting service, we don't have to connect domains and all that complicated stuff. All of that is here done for you. You can have a look at some famous people over here that actually use this website for their bios. So in a nutshell, this is how this works. You're going to get all of your links, in this case, or our case, our products. You're going to consolidate all of your audience. So all of this traffic over here, for example, will be sent to your page, and that way this website will automatically get tons of clicks and conversions and sales on your different products that we're going to be putting on our page over here, which means start monetizing, aka start making money online. So what I need you guys to do is come over to the top of this page. You need to click on sign up on the top right, and I want to take you throughout the process on how to go and sign up for this. And you need to go and enter your username to see if that's available. So for example, in this video, I'm going to use the keyword Millionaire Mindset, which is my channel name. So let's go and see. Okay, so this is taken. What we can maybe do is let's try Mindset Millionaire. This one's available, so we can click on continue over here. I do recommend when typing in your name, try keep it as short as possible. You can go and type your name, for example, Jay. We can put our email address and our password. It will then load up a page where you need to go and enter your TikTok username, your Instagram username, your Twitter username. I'm also going to show you how to use Facebook, as I know a big part of my audience is from India, and as we know, TikTok is banned in India. So to do some research, if you want to use Facebook for the strategy or for your profile, you can take a look here. Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram is not banned in India. So this is working in India. So if you are from India watching the strategy, this will work for you. So once you've come over back to your this page here, enter your TikTok username. So I'm just going to enter all of mine. My Instagram's the same, and I'll enter my TikTok. We can click on continue over here. You can select a niche. I'm, for example, in education. We can click on continue. It will then take a couple of minutes, even a couple of seconds, and it will automatically put your entire page together for you. The website will then generate a couple of themes that you can go and use. For example, black, this blue, this white color theme. I personally like this black theme over here, so I'm going to select it, click on select. If you want to, you can go and connect your own custom domain. If you want to, you can go and connect your own custom domain. So for example, it's given me a suggested one here, Millionaire Mindset .marketing. I'm just going to click on no thanks and use the default beacons.ai domain. We can click on skip for now. We don't need any of the paid images. And over here, just like that, my page is now ready to be used. So over here, you can see I've got my YouTube link, I've got my TikTok, Instagram, Twitter page, and we can go and add tons of other links over here as well. And it even puts some of the content that you've posted from your pages on your landing page over here, which is actually pretty cool. So if you want to go and change some content on this page over here, you can just come back to your account page, for example, like this, and we can go and edit our header. We can add our profile picture, our profile image shape. So for example, if you want a square or a circle, I personally like the circle. You can add different text colors, the display name. So for example, like J Froneman, it will just look like that. Or if you want to make it your Instagram handle for example, like that, you can see it update on the right. You can edit your bio, your location if you want to add a location. You can increase your picture size. You can add social icons and add various different websites over here. You can edit text, add more links if you want to your different pages, videos. If you've got email and SMS marketing, you can add different tweets over here if you want to. So there's all sorts of different ways that you can go and edit this page. The third thing we need to do is, now that we know how to create our website and how to go and edit it, we need to go and find some products to go and add to our website. So for example, we can go and use one of my favorite websites called clickbank.com, which is one of the best affiliate marketing platforms out there, where we can find hundreds of products that we can promote and earn commissions off of. So again, you can click on start here, enter your email address and verify your password, and then you can sign in with your account. So I'm going to log in with my existing account. Once you've signed in with your account, you can click on Marketplace on the top right, and you can go and select from all different categories over here that contain hundreds of different products within these categories that you can go and promote. When choosing a category, if you're getting started or if you already have an existing kind of business online, you can go and choose a category that you enjoy. I recommend choose something that you love. There's no better way than making money there's no better way than building a career and making money online, or making money in general in a niche and in a business that you love. So for example, let's use health and fitness. So for example, let's use e-business and e-marketing for the strategy. I'm going to come over to affiliate marketing over here, or we can just click on the overall category of all e-business and e-marketing. So here you can see, for example, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, currently one of the most popular products on ClickBank, which is an opportunity where people can get jobs to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and they will get paid money online to do that. Now, every time we send someone to this opportunity, they will pay us a commission of $33 once off and $47 every single month for the rest of our life. So I really like this program. Although it's not a massive amount once off, we're bringing in that passive income. Because if you refer one person to this, you're going to get $47 every month for the rest of your life. So we can go and click on promote over here, and let's go and look for two more. So over here we've got, for example, the Click Wealth system, which is an affiliate marketing program. I don't really like this one. The conversion is terrible. Over here we've got get paid online writing jobs, get paid to do simple writing jobs online. You will get an average conversion of $108, which is really good, and $34.05 every month. So I'm going to go and start off with the first one here. I'm going to click on promote, click on generate hop link. We can go and copy this hop link, come back to our page over here on beacon.ai. We can click on links. We can, for example, add a new link to the bottom, maybe drag this to the top, and we can type here our link. We can have our title. So in this case, we can literally just copy the title off of ClickBank. Just copy, go and paste this on beacon.ai as your title over here. So it basically looks something like this. And we can go and continue to add a new link to the bottom and just drag it to the top underneath this one. We can, for example, go and copy this title. So right click, copy, come back to beacon.ai, paste this under your title, and just go and grab your affiliate link by clicking on promote, generate hop link, copy your hop link, and paste this over here under the URL section. I would suggest let's go and use one more, at least have a minimum of 3 on your page, because that way it gives your audience a variety of different products to go and choose from. So let's go and come over to page number 2. And let's have a look what's over here. So here we've got a couple more products. I've seen this one before that does really well. The 12-minute affiliate system. You will get $250 every sale that you make and $23 every month reoccurring there after that. So this is a good one we can go and use. We can go and copy the title and just go and add this to our page again. So we click on, add your link to the bottom, paste our title, come over to ClickBank, just go and click on promote, generate hop link, go and copy your hop link back to beacons.ai and paste your link over here. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go and maybe remove a couple of these because I've got so many links here right now. So I'm going to click on towards it. We can delete that. I'm going to click on join my community, delete that, don't need that. I'm going to click on this blank one, don't need that. This other blank one here, don't need that. And we can drag this one to the top over here. So now our page is pretty much complete. Take a look at this. If I go and click on copy the link to my page and go and paste this over here, your page is going to look like that. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So if we go and click on this, it will take people through my affiliate link over here to the landing page. In this case is a questionnaire where people can sign up for these different jobs on social media. If I come back to my page, we've got get paid online writing jobs. So if I open this up, it will take me to my relative affiliate link into this landing page over here. If I open up the 12-minute affiliate system, it will take my traffic to my relative affiliate link over here, which will be the landing page of this product. Now, every time someone clicks on a link, for example, this one, and wants to join this product or buy this product, this is where you get your commission. So in this case, this is the 12-minute affiliate system. If you convert a sale with that, you will get paid $250. Once my page and all of my links to my different products was made, all I did was I came over to TikTok and I started producing content. And I've only been posting daily on TikTok for the past, I would say 8 months, maybe missing a couple of days, maybe sometimes only once a week. But I mean, take a look at the different views that I've gotten, the amount of followers and likes that I've gotten on YouTube, the amount of followers and likes that I've gotten on TikTok has taken me 3 to 5 times faster than what it's taken me on YouTube to achieve even half of this. So over here you can see some of my videos blow up to 625k, 100k over here, 90k, some only being at lower like 9k, 2k. So you're gonna have 1 or 2 videos that do bad. Here I've got quite a nice week over here, 600k, 18k, 150k, 10k, 1.4 million, 1 million. So these type of videos get a lot of traffic, and how I recommended you get started with this is go over to TikTok pages within your niche. And remember, I'm going to explain for the Indian audience that you can use another platform besides TikTok. But continuing with what I said is come over to various different TikTok pages in your niche. So in my case is affiliate marketing, and have a look. If you come over to, there should be a filter tab. I don't know if it's on the phone. Yeah. So it will be on the phone. You'll be able to filter by the most viewed videos this week or this month, and you want to go and create your own kind of videos and replicate those viral videos with your own words and in your own way to make sure that you don't copy other people's videos, so that you're also unique in your own way. And if you do that correctly, you will get a lot of views and a lot of sales on TikTok. Now, for those that don't have TikTok, something new that I've been trying out over here is Facebook Reels. And take a look at this. I've only posted 4 Reels on Facebook. I posted this one, got 63k views. I posted this one, got 42k views. This one only got 4k. This one got 537,000 views. So Facebook Reels gets just as many views as TikTok. And I know for a fact Facebook works in India. So if you don't have TikTok, go and use this on Facebook, and you just leave a link in your bio. If you have TikTok and Facebook, just go and post your TikTok videos on Facebook. Then you can get double the amount of views from both platforms. So this is honestly a really easy strategy to make money. I mean, creating this type of content is not hard. And for those of you that don't like creating content and that don't want to talk on a camera or don't want to speak on a microphone or too shy, these kind of things and becoming successful like this requires getting out of your comfort zones. I recommend give it a try. You've got nothing to lose. All of this is completely free to start. Facebook and TikTok is one of the most powerful platforms out there. So what I'll do is to help you out if you really do want to get started with this, I'm going to leave 2 playlists on the screen over here. 1, how to make money on TikTok and how to utilize TikTok to make money online. Number 2 over here, we're going to be talking about YouTube growth. Number 2 over here, we're going to be talking about purely affiliate marketing strategies. So what I recommend is in your own time, save both of these playlists over here to your watch later, and you can go through these affiliate marketing strategies here and pair it up with TikTok, and it forms a beautiful sweet spot business. So that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to recommend both of these playlists over here. Go and choose one of them or both of them, and I'll see you over there.